welcome to episode 8 of Hoarding to Boarding. As you see, we've got this place a little bit disheveled. This little area needs a little bit of a pickup. Frankly, I think it'll take more than one pickup to get rid of this room. Little bit of a pickup because we're going to be putting a CNC machine in here. Yep, that's right. We're going to be creating a CNC machine right here. Let's get started, shall we? Vinyl cutter. A cut above the rest. Oh, heavy metal. Jamie Page has instructed me that it's not pronounced aluminum, it's actually pronounced aluminium. However, my other maker friends from the States here say that it's aluminum. Oh, that sucks. I've got 2 rollers for the vinyl cutter made out of aluminum, and 2 of these are made out of aluminium. Oh, man. Ooh, zip ties. Where's my zip tie drawer? There we go. Paintbrushes. Where's my paintbrush drawer? Ah. Ratchet strap. Where's my ratchet strap drawer? 1-inch elbows and couplers. Where's my PVC 1-inch elbows and couplers drawer? That's just garbage. Goodness, it's no wonder my place is a mess. Look at this. This is just all completely loose. I mean, if only I had something to tie these things together with. Where's my empty mosquito repellent bottles drawer? Yeah, I guess I could throw this away. Contact lens solution. Expires September 2012. That's a good thing I buy in bulk. I seem to have this here plywood in the way. So I'm going to just see if I can find a nice spot for it up against the wall. Gotta put the first aid kit away. Oh, irony! In case you're wondering what I'm doing, these are slat wall holders from a store I had. And I decided when I closed the store, bring them home, I could use them. Haven't yet. You could never be too safe. Being a painter, you should always have backups. I have 4 high-quality rollers and probably about 10 backup rollers. These are backup garbage rollers that up until now have been taking up space. I'm becoming quite depressed because I am forced to throw away perfectly good rollers that have been used maybe once. I need some chocolate. Will it ever end? Answer? No. I know. Water your lawn. I'll get around to it. In case you're wondering what I'm bringing down now, it's these things. They fit on the slat wall and they hang whatever you want on them. If you put a lot of them together, you can hang other hangers on them. Ooh, more trophy parts, eh? Excess inventory from my trophy shop days. I could make myself a track star trophy. Yeah, hardly. Walnut. Saving this. Press board. Saving this. Yeah, somebody's got to go in there and rewire it. Check these out. Only 9,998 more and I can build my own marble machine. Marble drawer. Business license from a business I had in 2008. Where's my local business license from old businesses drawer? Ah, damn. That one's full too. This would be the original man crafting mug. That's a dry martini. That's a bad joke. Now, as you see, I have one more to take care of high up there. For safety reasons, do not attempt this at home. I am a professional and I have 2 first aid kits. Not a step. Repeat, not a step. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? So for those of you wondering, that's what the top of my second of 3 shops looks like. Well, I got that much cleared away. Let me clear away a little more. Well, folks, now that I cleared out this 4-foot area, I've got another 4 feet to go to clear out this whole section for my new Gatton build. It's going to be a larger CNC than the one I have already. The one I have now has a capacity of 24 by 36. This one should have somewhere in the neighborhood of 4 feet by 6 feet, give or take. Unfortunately, that means the footprint is somewhere in the 5.5 by 7 foot area, so...
Make room for Javi.